How to add a background image to a section in Shopify. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to do so. So first, you just want to log into your Shopify admin and you want to click on content and you simply just want to click on files. Now from here, you simply just want to upload the background image that you want. In my case, I'm just going to be using this one. So just upload your file from here, from the top right corner. Now, keep this tab open and just go in and open up a new tab with Shopify and click on Edit Theme. So obviously at this point, you can just first pick a section that does actually offer the option to choose an image, like any sort of banner, for example, this one. You're just going to get the option to select an image and you're pretty much good to go. But if you want to apply this to any section, so for example, this one, if you click on it, we're not going to have an option to add a background. So what we want to do is, first of all, click on the section itself. Second of all, you simply just want to go down to the description. You should be able to find a code. Simply copy that code and paste it down here at the custom CSS option. Again, I'm just going to repeat real quick. First, open up the section, scroll down to the bottom, custom CSS, and you should be able to find this right here. Paste in the code which is in the description, and the only thing that you need to replace is your URL here. You simply just want to delete that, just remove everything in it, keep the quotes, the double quotes, and leave it empty. Go back to this page here and copy the link of the image that you just uploaded, which is the background image. I'm just going to use this one as an example. Simply copy it like so. You are going to find this option here. Go back here and paste it in here, and you should be good to go. You are going to have your background image ready to go. So with that being said, hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful, and for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.